Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn the concept of big and small. We will compare objects based on their sizes. I have here 2 apples. Are they of the same size? No, they are of different sizes. This apple is big. This apple is small. This mango is small. This mango is big. This orange is big. This orange is small. This guava is small. This guava is big. This watermelon is big. This watermelon is small. I have here another set of pictures. And it's your turn to identify whether it is big or small. Good job, kids! You want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!